It's very difficult because I work in both situations.
Yeah.
And
You are the perfect person to tell us.
नहीं, हमको लगता है पहले first I'll talk about the previous CM. It is my opinion. I'll not official opinion. I'll say it is my opinion. I think he was visionary. He was having humility and good for people. But perhaps all the forces did not allow him to go in particular way. I'm talking about the good work. I'm talking about.
Correct.
Now difference is that first thing the present leader is lead by example sometimes. Second thing, he is willing to take responsibility on his head. I am agreeing and I'll support you. But that time that perhaps was not there. When we were not able to get as much support due to maybe whatever reason that time. I'll not say it was a leadership crisis, but it was a situation that things were not moving well. And with all good intention. Now at present, if some decision to be taken, we know that once CM has agreed, it will not, he will not deviate.
It will not be challenged.
He will not deviate, and plus you will not get any pressure from outside. So we need a leader who takes a right or wrong decision. We should stick to that.
Once it is decided, it is decided.
A decision is taken. Decision may later you can find fault, nothing wrong in it. But as long as you are honestly deciding it. So it is good for bureaucrat also that decision is taken and we are working. And we are, we go by the bureaucracy like you take any form of container, put water. If container is zigzag, water will go like that. If container is very straight, will go like that. So we have got a lot of capability because a lot of things is decided by political executive. If they support, then I think we are all very good. And हम लोग में भी.
Was Digambar Kamat too soft?
I am a very kind person. Because I have worked in vigilance for very long in Delhi, and so I used to always feel that sir, जब ये गलत है, इसको we should punish. He will say कि नहीं, see his other point of view. Which is also, of course, he is right in a way. कि his family, other. I said नहीं, जिसने गलत किया, he should be taken to task. Because
you have to set an example.
Raja has to be ruthless to the people who is not good. But I'll say कि then it is his kindness. I'll say कि perhaps I was not as kind, or I was not as. He was very kind. He said नहीं छोड़ दो उसको या we can give less punishment to him. But इसका होता है कि असर खराब पड़ता है. The man, other person is watching कि if he is not punished, then चलता है. We should not allow it. So I've got very.
So there was too much of political circus also.
उसमें difficult for me to comment, but yes. It was known to people. Things were not sometimes stable, not stable, and as a government servant, I always prefer stable government is there, so that we can take any decision for till the end.
There are two major issues जो आपने भी देखे होंगे. One was regional plan, and second was illegal mining. Both issues are still in that way undecided. आपका क्या व्यू है? One regional plan. बना रुका बना वापस रुका.
And without I am not subject matter expert, but I'll say कि regional plan once it is made with the people's
participation,
we should not linger it for very long. I was given to understand 80% villages they agreeing to that, and some villages not agreeing due to their valid or whatever reason. But government has to take a decision, publish discuss with them. Nowhere in the world this type of regional plan is made where everyone is involved. And you cannot never come to a conclusion if you keep on discussing.
You cannot satisfy all the people all
and
the time.
Even if suppose 5% flaw is there, you can keep on improving
upon it.
Because in 100% regional plan no one can make, best regional plan. So I feel I am not commenting on the shortcomings. Let it be, but we should go ahead with the regional plan where the water improvement is there. Otherwise, people lose faith. And if I am honestly have done it, why should you worry?
Illegal mining.
The illegal mining, where I'll also take the right stand that wherever illegal mining should be certainly stopped, because person not only harming state, he is harming the future generation. Suppose I am doing illegal mining, because then illegal mining disadvantage is that you will not follow the procedure. person doing illegal mining, at least you can make him responsible and have some audit. Person giving illegal mining, nothing, no record is there, and he can recklessly exploit the resources. So illegal mining should be stopped. And it is, we are legally bound, constitutionally bound.
Political will was lacking.
Actually, a lot of confusion was there that time. They used to say, suppose 53 million ton is allowed. We have done 60 million ton. Whatever
Yeah, 7 million ton
extra, because it was a dump was there, but no one is giving record of the dump. From where, if you do dump mining, then records should be there, whether dump mining is correct or not. So, but I am told with new mining policy, perhaps these issues will be addressed, and one commission also there which is inquiring into it. And Goa being a small state, and we can keep a track of what is happening easily. I am sure things will fall in line, and people have better heritage and better environmental facility for the future generation.
Sir, कितना pressure आता था from political class, bureaucracy?